back to the No Limit Crypto channel, a channel where I bring you daily market updates from the crypto streets. So, today we're taking a look at some worst case scenarios for Bitcoin. There's something really important happening right now. We are really testing the 200-day moving average right here. 200-day moving average. Crossing this to the downside, that is bad. The 200-day moving average is usually used as a trend recognition tool. So if you're above the 200-day moving average, you're in an uptrend. If you're below the 200-day moving average, you're in a downtrend. So this daily candle that we have here, it's one of the most important candles in a long time. If we close below the 200-day moving average, that could mean that we're going to move into a longer correction or even a downtrend in the Bitcoin market, in the price. So I was interested. I went back on the charts, back to 2011. I looked at every single cross when we crossed from above the moving average to below the moving average, and got some stats on that. So let's look at this. So this is on the daily chart, 200-day simple moving average. Average time spent under the chart, under the moving average, was 127 days, and the average move size, so how far down the price went after crossing the moving average. So it's 43.7%. So if we go back to the chart and we look at this, how awful this looks, a 43% correction right here would mean a $26,000 Bitcoin. And that's not something that we don't want to see that. So right now we're in a real make or break moment. So if we cross to the downside, I don't think we're gonna reach 26k, but I actually think it's very possible that we come back down and test this 28k, 29k line that we had from before, and we had a lot of tests on it. We had this like cool little double bottom right here, and we actually tested it before too. But so yeah, so I think that's the most like realistic goal in the worst case scenarios. But right now I'm looking at us going below here, and if we go below there, we need to start finding support somewhere. So I'm looking at Fibonacci lines in confluence with possible support and resistance lines from before. So to me, the most likely one looks like the 0.618 line right here. And we know that this is a really strong support usually when you take a look at Fibonacci's. And after that, we have the last resort. Let's call it the last resort. This is the latest point where Bitcoin has to stop if we go to the downside right here. If we close below the 200-day moving average. So the lowest that Bitcoin can go without still reaching this lowest level of 29k is 34k. 34k is the lowest of the lowest we can go before we're in a real crash. So what I want you guys to look is this daily candle, does it close below or above the 200-day moving average? If it closes above, we're likely seeing it used as support, as we have done in the past. The 200-day moving average is a significant support line too. So it's a real make or break moment for Bitcoin right now. If you enjoyed this video, please consider liking and subscribing. Thank you very much.